Numbers have always fascinated me. There's no questioning with numbers. They're not subjective. They don't lie to you. They're reliable. They tell you the truth, and the truth enables you to make good decisions. My name is Roger Marsh, and I'm an accountant at an environmental testing laboratory. I'm proud of my job. I'm proud of what we do here. I may not be the person that goes out in the field and analyzes the samples, but I'm still a critical part of the team. Without me, we wouldn't know whether we made money or lost money. The bills wouldn't be paid, and most importantly, you wouldn't be paid. On a daily basis, my job is to prepare the financial statements, do performance analysis, and report back to the board. These things have always been necessary, ever since business began, and they will always be needed. That makes accounting one of the most secure career paths I can ever imagine. I didn't end up with this company because I needed a job. I ended up here because I chose to be here. The team and the environment are very important to me. When I was in school, I started as a finance major. And one day in Accounting 101, a new guy showed up. He worked for an oil company in Los Angeles called ARCO. His name was Robert O. Anderson. And he wasn't really a professor, but he was a professor in residence at our school for a month, to me, as a lowly freshman. That guy changed my world and made accounting very interesting. He pointed out that accountants would always be necessary to a company. He said you could work anywhere as an accountant. You can pick your own type of company you want to work at, the location you want to work at, and if you get tired of it, you can always leave, because a finance officer will always be in demand. Getting a degree in accounting was the greatest thing I've ever done. It opened up an entire world of opportunity for me. I could go work for SpaceX as an accountant. I could go into the commercial leasing business. I could sit at home and be a consultant. I could work part-time. But for now, I'm happy. I like my team, my office, and this environment. Why would I pick one school over another? Well, as an employer, if I'm looking at you as a potential employee, I want to know, can you work for me day one? Or do I actually have to retrain you to do the job? So looking at the internships that the school offers while you're there as part of their curriculum is really important. Because if you have worked as an accountant for a couple of years in school, the day you graduate, to me, you're very valuable. That means that I hire you first and I pay you more. Accounting is a terrific career path. You can be an inside guy, you can be an outside guy, you can be quiet, you can be loud, but for sure, your services will always be in demand. You get paid well for that. It's challenging, it's hard. People want to know what you think about a specific problem, and you need to be able to respond to that. The pay isn't what keeps me here, but it's pretty good.